Now I will discuss that which factors affect the photoelectric effect. Before that, I will tell you the experimental arrangements to study the photoelectric effect. And it was studied by Leonard. So, let us see the experimental arrangements. Arrangements of photoelectric effects. Let we are having this tube. This is the glass window. This is cathode, this is the anode. And here we have a microampere. This is now voltmeter. This is the terminal. So this is a commutator. This is now suppose 1, 2, 3 and 4. I think this should be somewhat there. It will be then we come to this and here we will have a voltmeter. This is the negative. This point will be taken. Here we take the rheostat. It has come in the this is not so visible. So let us make another diagram. This is cathode, this is now anode. This is now microampere. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this has to be added from this one, and this is to this one. This negative part. Voltmeter and this now and this one, and this we have a rheostat. Here we have a key, negative, positive. This is key. This is the incident radiation. Incident radiation. These are the electron. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our commutator. This is a glass tube. Vacuum glass tube. This is not commutator. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is commutator. Commutator. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is commutator. This can be rotated, so the potential can be changed. This is now positive, so this is now also positive, and this is now negative. So now current goes in this direction. Like this, it will go in this direction. This is your negative, this is your positive. This is the experimental arrangement. Here we have used the commutator so that the potential of this can be varied and it can be made positive or negative. This cathode is also a metal plate, this anode is also a metal plate. The radiation are allowed to incident on the cathode, not on the anode. And this is now your key, this is now voltmeter applied in parallel with this anode and the cathode. Now here, see, this is cathode, metal plate. Anode metal plate. and here we have the 1, 2, 3, 4. It is commutative. Mu A microenthalpy. Mu A micro ampere micro. So this is all the arrangements, and here these cathode and anode are kept in a vacuum glass tube. Cathode and anode are kept in highly vacuum glass tube. Vacuum is maintained so that the electron could not be absorbed by the gas. So this to avoid the absorption of the emitted electron from the cathode, this is necessary that there should be vacuum in the tube. So this is what the experimental arrangement. So what we do now, first we incident the radiation, and as the radiation is incident, electrons are emitted and they are attracted by the anode, and the current flows in this circuit as I have shown in this diagram. When a radiation of suitable frequency is incident on the cathode plate, the current the electrons are emitted from cathode and they are attracted by anode plate at positive potential. The current flows in the circuit. And it is detected by the deflection in microampere. So this is what the experimental arrangement of the photoelectric effect. I have shown you the experimental arrangement. And it was studied in the 4 ways. Study of photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. So first this is done in 4 ways. Number 1, varying the intensity of incident radiation when frequency is kept constant. Frequency is kept constant. Second way to study, varying the frequency of incident radiation when its intensity is kept constant. And the fourth way to study the photoelectric effect, third is varying the applied potential difference between plates means cathode and anode. And now fourth is varying the metal surface. Now the nature of metal. So these are the 4 ways in which the photoelectric effect can be studied. First, by varying the intensity and keeping the frequency constant, and second, varying the frequency and keeping the intensity constant, and third, varying the applied potential between the plates, and fourth, varying the nature of the matrix. That means we take the different metal plates and then we study the photoelectric effect. What will happen there when the metal is changed. So these are the factors. These are also the factors that upon which the photoelectric effect depends. So that I will tell you in the next video. So first you see this experimental arrangement of the photoelectric effect. So this I have told you, the experimental demonstration or the experimental arrangement of the photoelectric effect. So you all like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.